Look at the sheer scale of a modern construction site. When you have multi-ton cranes swinging steel over active, deep excavations, site safety stops being an abstract concept. It becomes a matter of life and death. To control those hazards, you need competent people calling the shots. In this video, we will map out exactly how you validate your competence by registering as a professional occupational health and safety practitioner in South Africa. The process can be intimidating. We will break down the crucial choice between applying through Saiosh or the SACPCMP and show you how to compile the project portfolio that assessors actually want to see. Registration establishes the legal accountability required to manage a site safety system, moving the role from general oversight to a state-recognized position of authority. Let's start with the baseline responsibilities. OHS professionals carry the heavy duty of preparing risk assessments, drafting site-specific safety plans, and conducting legal compliance checks. This diagram illustrates two major regulatory pathways. On the left is Saiosh, the professional body for general industry practitioners spanning manufacturing or corporate sectors. On the right is SACPCMP, the statutory council specifically for construction, health, and safety professionals working with built environment contractors. Applying to the wrong regulatory body guarantees a rejection. Your application path must precisely match the real-world industry where you execute your duties. Once you know your pathway, you need to target your exact designation. Both councils grade your application using two strict metrics: your NQF level and your years of practical experience. The Saiosh ladder starts with technical member, requiring an NQF 5 certificate and 2 years of experience. Next is graduate member, needing an NQF 6 and 3 years. The highest tier is chartered member, requiring an NQF 7 degree and 5 years of experience. Alternatively, the SACPCMP hierarchy separates roles into CHS Officer, Manager, and Agent. These grades are tied directly to the scale of project responsibility you hold. Honestly evaluate your current qualifications and responsibilities. Targeting the correct tier upfront prevents application delays and aligns your legal profile directly with your actual project authority. The foundation of your application begins with the administrative pack. You need a certified ID, a structured CV, and official certificates like your SAMTRAC qualification. But the administrative documents are only the baseline. Assessors spend the majority of their time scrutinizing your portfolio of real-world project evidence. Your portfolio needs to be comprehensive. You must compile completed risk matrices, sections of audited safety files, and robust incident investigation reports. The evidence must prove active site compliance monitoring. Provide records showing how you systematically checked contractor legal appointments and inspected site welfare facilities. Proving a massive project happened while you were employed is not enough. Assessors demand explicit, documented proof of your direct personal contribution to site safety. Let's run through the critical errors that frequently derail otherwise strong applications. Trap number 1 is the paperwork illusion. Submitting educational certificates without the practical project files to back them up will lead straight to a rejection. Trap number 2 is jurisdictional mismatch. Submitting a portfolio of warehouse or factory safety files to the construction-focused SACPCMP will result in an immediate rejection. Trap number 3 is weak evidence. Providing shallow, one-word site inspection checklists demonstrates zero analytical skill and will not pass a formal review. Assessors can immediately spot an applicant who treats a safety file as a bureaucratic chore. To succeed, your evidence must show a live, functional risk control system in action. Map out your route. Select the correct regulatory body for your industry, target the appropriate NQF tier, and compile a portfolio of undeniable project evidence. Your immediate next step is to head to the Saiosh or SAPCPMP website, download their latest registration guidelines, and start getting your core documents certified. Holding this designation confirms your skills meet national standards, providing the professional recognition required to sign off on safety files and lead high-stakes site inspections. When safety professionals are properly vetted and registered, it enforces accountability across the board. The result is a safer, highly compliant built environment for everyone.